are going to learn about fractions. In the previous class, you already learned some basic ideas of fractions. So what are fractions? Fractions is a part of whole. Whole means total or one. So let's take some example. See, this is a rectangle. So I am dividing it into two equal parts. This two equal parts. Now shade half of the part. This is 2. So half of it is this much. So I am shading this. So this shaded part. What is this? Now this rectangle is divided into two equal parts. So this one part is shaded. Out of what? This total 2 part. So this 1 by 2 part, that is half. 1 by 2 is half. So the shaded portion is 1 part out of 2, that is half. So this is fraction. Now in this same figure, I am dividing it into 4 equal parts. This is 2 part already divided. Now this 4 part. Now what is the fraction of this shaded part? 1 and 2. 2 part out of what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 parts. Okay. Now again I want to divide it into more parts. That means this is 4. Now 8 parts. How to divide it? Equal parts should be there. This much. Now I divided it into 8 equal parts. Now what is the shaded portion? What is the fraction of the shaded portion? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of what? 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 out of 8. So see this. The shaded portion in this figure is same. But in the fraction, all the numbers are different. This is 1 upon 2, this is 2 upon 4 and this is 4 upon 8. But these all the fractions are equal. Why? See, you can see here in this figure, only this part I mentioned here. No? This is 1 by 2 or you can say 2 by 4 or 4 by 8. So all these fractions are equal. So these fractions are called equivalent. Equivalent fractions. So these are equivalent fractions. Now see children, this upper part is called numerator. And this lower part of the fraction is called denominator. So hope children you understood this equivalent fraction, numerator and denominator. Now we will take some more examples of equivalent fractions. Here 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4 is equals to 4 upon 8. So what is the relation between these three fractions? 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4. Let's see. 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 4. What we did here? To convert it into 2 upon 4, we multiply it by 2. We multiply the numerator and denominator both by 2. See, 1 into 2 is equals to 2 and 2 into 2 is equals to 4. That means I multiplied here by 2. Now, this 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 upon 8. 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 upon 8. Now what to do? I multiplied it by numerator and denominator by 4. Both. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 into 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. So in this way we can find the equivalent fraction. So what is this? If we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get the equivalent fraction. Now if we go in opposite direction, that means 4 upon 8 to 1 upon 2. So what to do is here? See children. 4 upon 8 is equals to 1 upon 2. So what we do here to get 1 upon 2. Now we will divide it by 4. Numerator by 4 and denominator by 4. If I divide 4 by 4, I will get here 1. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So that is 1 by 2. The same, if I want to convert 4 upon 8 to 2 upon 4, I have to divide this numerator and denominator by 2. That means we can obtain the equivalent fraction by multiplying or are dividing the numerator and denominator of the fraction by same number. So this concept we will use to fill these boxes. So now see here, 1 upon 3 is equals to dash upon 6. So here we can find this relation between this 3 and 6. What we do here? 3 2s are 6. That means we are multiplying here by 2. So in numerator also we have to multiply it by 2. So 1 2s are 2. So in this blank we will get 2. So 1 upon 3 is equals to 2 upon 6. Now same here, 7 upon 15 is equals to 63 upon dash. So here we have to find the relation between this 7 and 63. So what to do with 7 to get 63? 63 is greater than 7, that means multiply. How many times? 7 9s are. I will multiply it by 9. So denominator also multiply it by 9. So 15 9s are 135. So this fraction 7 upon 15 is equals to 63 upon 135. Now look here. 11 upon blank is equals to 77 upon 105. So now this convert this 11 into 77. What to do? Multiply it by 7. Okay. So here we have to multiply by 7 this number, but we don't know this number. That means by which number we multiply 7 to get 105. Or opposite of this, we can say we divide this by 7 to get this blank. So 105 divided by 7. So divide it. 7 ones are 7. Then 3 remainder. 7 5s are 35. So that means here what we did? Here we divide the numerator and denominator by 7. So in this way we can find all equivalent fractions.